Hey there, 3D printing wizards. Have you been eyeing that shiny new 3D printer or some awesome filament but holding off because of the price tag? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on some incredible 3D MakerPro promo codes. Yes, you heard that right. Discounts, deals, and savings galore just for you. Now I know what you're thinking. Can these promo codes really save me that much? And the answer is a resounding yes. Picture this. You're about to check out with a cart full of 3D printing goodies. And bam! You apply the promo code and watch those numbers drop like magic. It's like having a secret weapon in your shopping arsenal. But wait, there's more. These promo codes aren't just for the big ticket items. Need some new filament? Promo code. Looking for upgraded nozzles? Promo code. Even if you're just starting out and need a whole new setup, 3D Maker Pro has got your back with these amazing discounts. Now let's get real for a second. 3D printing is a fantastic hobby, but it can get a bit pricey, right? That's why these promo codes are such a game changer. You're getting top quality products at a fraction of the cost. Think of all the extra projects you can tackle with the money you save. Your imagination is the only limit. And hey, I'm not just here to talk about savings. I want you to experience it for yourself. So go ahead, click that link in the description below, and start saving big with 3D Maker Pro promo codes. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. All right, folks, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome 3D printing tips and tricks. And remember, those promo codes aren't going to use themselves. Click that link below and happy printing. See you in the next video.